So the next presentation is coming from online, the Neuron 001, performance using brain-computer interface. Please welcome Shintaro Ono.
Hi everyone, I'm Shintaro Ono. I'm now a freelance developer, mainly for visual creation and system development, especially for entertainment field. Sorry, I'm reading. Anyway, today we'd like to show real-time live performance to find and also express the connection between culture, technology, and human physical. The guy, he is now doing preparation for meditation of Japanese Buddhism. He is a real monk, actually, and he's putting brain interface called Next Mind on his head, around here. Next Mind could do click preferred place on PC screen using only our brain wave, without hand, eye, and or any actual physical action, using really only brain waves. And you can easily find on the internet, actually a little expensive for freelancers like me, but it's amazing, don't you think? Then, from now on, we start our performance to try to connecting Japanese Buddhism as culture, Next Mind as technology, and the monk's brain data as physical. For your information, data from his brain, it's sync with height of moving LED light. And we added some creative stuff to achieve this trial for live show. So please enjoy our trial live show. Thank you.